Dr. Rich back at it again on the surgeon's table today. We got the homie Dave with 2 birds, no stones. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. I know we only had 1 video drop yesterday. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't checked that Eminem video out, definitely go and check that out. Even if you only just watched the intro to that joint, y'all might like it. You know, so tell me what you think about the Renegade reaction video, the Renegade Eminem and Jay-Z reaction video from yesterday. Let me know what y'all think about that one. Go and check it out if you haven't. But man, back at it, man. That's what we checking out today. Dave, 2 birds with no stones. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Also, make sure you guys go and follow your boy on social media. Links will be typed up in the description box below, where you guys can always feel free to DM me anything else that you would like to see. But without further ado, Dave, you next up on a surgeon's table. Let's get surgical with it, baby. Let's rock. Y'all know I couldn't stay away for too long. We only took a day.
Look, I can kill 2 birds with no stones. Just let life do it. Success is in a stone's throw. The scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own role. Man are just clones though. Copy.
He said the scene's a fucking mosh pit. I'm sitting in my own role.
Success is in a stone's throw. The scene's a fucking
Success
mosh pit.
is in a stone's throw.
Man are just clones though. Copying the trend until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough, and I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no.
Run that back.
Dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough, and I ain't focused either.
The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough. The double entendre right there. Obviously, we all know the domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough, but also Domino's, pizza, dough, pizza. Nigga Dave is nice with the shits. He nice with the shits.
Effect when you ain't focused on your own dough, and I end until it dies and then you go broke. The domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough, and I ain't focused either. People wanna eat but can't show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no, bro. You show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's...
This nigga Dave, yo. Now I see why Dave is so big right now, especially in the UK. That whole thing right there. It's like a domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough. Niggas eating but can't show me where the peas are. How he just made a play on the word pizza, doc. Oh, nigga. He too cold. Oh my God. Oh shit, Dave, you better chill out.
Show me where the peas are. Don't try it, it's a no-no. Don't bother, it's a no, bro. Your future looking copper, mine 20-carat rose gold. It's funny how I met faith and no hope. Music game slow-mo. Days I saw no growth, but Christian doing promo. Hell, sleet, cold, snow, and people wouldn't know though. When everything was blessed, before we went solo, we had man them on a Camden like Coco. Dead telling lies, I got pride like Soho. I'm a tour guide on a cruise ship, I'm trying to showboat. It's actually true, because when you count the groundwork,
I'm a tour guide on the boat. I'm a tour guide on the ship. I'm trying to showboat. Ooh, shit.
Showboat is actually true, because when you count the groundwork, I'm actually new. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, because you want someone to blow until they actually do, and then they're pop stars. My ends.
I always have said, people love to see you doing good, but never better than them. They always love to see you doing good, just as long as you ain't doing better than them. Say that one more time for me, Dave. That was some real ass shit right there.
Someone gets successful because you actually knew. You like supporting your people until someone gets successful, because you want someone to blow until they actually do, and then they're pop stars. My end's still hot, I slip not, I'm a rock star.
Ooh, slip not rock star.
In the trap, he got sticky fingers, rolling stones, and on the other line, we got Jack Bennon from Canada to London. lawyers and gunmen. Being by yourself can make the best of things redundant. I feel everything and nothing, man, I'm empty. I'm really on the edge, so don't tempt me to pick up something lengthy. Don't ever say I've changed. I'm on the bus and train with my headphones every day. You people don't rate the nerve to send shade. Like I never sent the message to your brother, use your brain. Put down your blade, like I never took the train to Essex in the rain for a session on my J's, with my girl, with my mates. Like I never fucking worked for this. When drill was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna...
He said, when drill was the wave, I made my own lane and I nurtured it. If that ain't a key to life right there, man. When this shit was the wave, I made my own lane and I nurtured it. And look what I am today. Love that, Dave. Love that.
Caught like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me. Like it was the wave, I made a lane and then I nurtured it. And now you wanna talk like I never fucking deserved this shit. Like it all came quick to me. Like I never want to picture me. Literally, half the people dissing me ain't ever done a thing for me. You must be raised differently. Disrespect I didn't see, I'll hate you till I'm dead. I'm triple super saiyan when I flex on my pagans and my ex.
Ooh, triple super saiyan.
Just for sex, but I wonder what was playing on your head when you were laying on my bed. I'm just saying, no offense, I'm super cool, don't be shy, love. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person.
It's everywhere in this shit. Using me to dig for gold. It's ironic because your intentions are minor. Oh, fuck. Dig for gold, minors. Your intentions were
Cause your intentions are minor, I don't care. I'm lonely and I'm fired up. A 20-person guest list and some vodka on my rider. It's weird when you level with a person and they treat you like you're higher or treat you like you're different. She said my music's like silk, it's inspired her. I'm more like apples, I'm insider. I'm lonely and nothing more.
Silk is inspired.
Bust like Dumbledore, I love you for this moment. She thinks
I just heard a Dumbledore.
8 minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore, I love you for this.
I bust like Dumbledore. Trying to think of what a bust like. I just got into the whole Harry Potter joint. I'm on the Goblet thing. Goblet of Fire. That's the one I'm currently watching. I gotta go finish it later on. But yeah. It's ironic that shit was in that joint because Kelsey really wanted to watch all the Harry Potters. I've never watched Harry Potter. Obviously, I know what the fuck Harry Potter is. I think everybody does, unless you've been living under a fucking rock your entire life. But she made me watch the first one, and like, I got super into that shit. I was like, man, this shit actually fire as shit, you know. So we've been basically binge watching them joints. So yeah, after I get done recording today, that's probably what your boy gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to make some time to finish watching the Goblet of Fire. But I don't get the Dumbledore joint. Isn't Dumbledore? Now I'm wait. Yeah. Okay. I had to make sure for a second. For a second, I was like, Rich, are you sure that's Dumbledore? That's on. Of course it is. I had to make sure, man, because sometimes I'll be feeling confident when I first be saying something. And then, like, later on, y'all be like, nah, Rich, that wasn't it. So, like, I started second-guessing myself. You know what I mean? Like, I started overthinking it. Like, man.
She said my music's like silk, it's inspired her. I'm more
That's
like
fire.
apples,
That's fire.
I'm lonely and nothing more. 8 great minutes and then I'll bust like Dumbledore. I love you for this moment. She thinks I'm gonna dash, I'll let her link me like underscores. Ungrateful breed, these girls always want something more. Please don't annoy me. I may have called you princess, I ain't treating you like royalty. It's been less than 3 days, why you asking for my loyalty? Just look at what we went and done. I could have been anyone. This is something that I've never done. You say that line to everyone. From 17 to 21 you went from a 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a...
God damn. Hold on, wait. He was in the middle of a joint.
A 90-day rule and a checklist to screaming in a pillow with some talking and a neck kiss. Are you telling me that every single person you connect with can whisper in your ear and then just get inside your best bits? This game so...
Ooh, calling out about these thoughts out here. Like, listen, I might have called you princess, but I ain't treating your dumb ass like royalty. Like, how many niggas have you let whisper in your ear and get in your best bitch? How many niggas you let whisper in your ear and clap them cheeks? Fuck you mean? It's only been 3 days and you expecting some loyalty out of me? Bitch, get to stepping. Hit the dough. You know what I'm saying?
Confusing, I don't know what I want from this. A virgin before music, girls came with my accomplishments, and now I don't believe their praise and all their compliments. I take my insecurities and hide them all in confidence. I'll tell you this in confidence, I'm young and I'm free. But do you know how much it hurts me? They don't love me for me. It's crowded in our scene, and people, they just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell. See, it's 100 degrees.
People just want what's hot. That's why I'm trying to sell what's 100 degrees. It's crowded. That's a fact. Is that the end of the joint? Yeah, alright. Dave, 2 birds, no stones. God damn. Nigga was spitting some shit. Said the silk, but I in spider. Nigga, oh. the whole Domino's pizza, it's a domino effect when hold on. How I go? Damn, now I can't even think of it. Fuck. But y'all know what I'm talking about. The whole the whole pizza bar, nigga. Oh, when you ain't, it's a domino effect when you ain't focused on your own dough. And niggas eating, but they can't get their peas up. Something like that. But man, shit done got a little out of hand. Ooh, Dave, 2 birds, no stones. Now I see why y'all kept commenting that in the comment section. That shit was fire right there. Major salute to Dave, man. God damn. Let me know what y'all thought about that joint in the comment section below. Make sure you guys, as always, leave that like before you go. Smack that subscribe button that's right over there, as you guys already know. And of course, check out the video that's right over there too. You might like it. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Doc Rich, I'm out.